This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Disconnect the negative battery and wait 10 minutes so the SRS system is safe. Once done, remove the lower steering column trim and the left kick panel to access hidden screws. Use Torx T20/T25 and a 10 mm socket. Keep fasteners in labeled containers so reassembly is painless. Make sure to protect surfaces with soft rags and photograph each step. That visual record will speed you up later and prevent guessing when parts look similar. Now you move to the center stack and cluster. Pry off the radio and HVAC trim, then depress release tabs to unplug connectors so nothing tugs during dashboard removal. Once those panels are out, remove the center console fasteners and the shift surround. Lift it slowly to avoid snagging the gear selector cables. Then unbolt the instrument cluster screws, tilt the cluster forward, and disconnect its harnesses. This clears another major anchor holding the dash in place and reduces strain on remaining mounts. Finish by systematically removing the dash-to-body bolts. Check the top screws under the windshield cowl, the footwell fasteners, and those hidden behind the glove box. Once bolts are out, have a helper support the dash edge. You lift and tilt forward just enough to access and unplug the remaining wiring harnesses and HVAC duct connections. If something resists, stop and look for a missed fastener. Troubleshooting tip: if the dash won't move, check behind the glove box and under seats for one missed bolt or connector. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.